I don't. You guys are improving angles congruent. You're going to be working in groups.
Well, is it not working?
Okay. I need you guys to all get into a group of 5 right here. You guys face this table with them, and then come down with them, okay? I need you 3 to face with these 2. You're going to be in a group. You 2 turn around with them. You guys turn around with those 2 there. You guys are going to be in a group. All 5 of you in a group. And you 2 turn around with them.
Nice to see you guys.
Keep listening, guys. We've got to go a little quick here, okay? All right, I need one person from each group to raise their hand. Just one person pick. Okay. Okay, you guys stand up. Grab one book from the group. Grab one book from the group. Keep listening. Guys, keep listening. You guys are the leaders of your group, okay? You guys hear me?
We're the leaders? Oh,
You
yeah.
guys are the leaders of your group.
Young book, bro.
Can you guys hear me? Hey,
Sure,
you guys
thank
need
you.
to pay attention. We got to go kind of quick, okay? Okay, I need a second. Yes.
Do we set up for pronouns?
What's that?
Do we set up for pronouns?
No, you guys are going to be working to solve the problems. I'll tell you in a second. Okay, a second person in the group needs to raise their hand. I need a second person, someone who's not the leader. 5, right? We should have 5 leaders. You guys are the writers. Does that make sense? You guys are the Hey guys, listen, please, listen. You guys need to pay attention. This is important because you guys are going to be working on something that's a little more complicated. You guys are going to be teaching each other now. So you guys are going to work together on learning this lesson. So the writers, just remember, I'll tell you what your job is in a second. The rest of you are what is going to be known as advisors. Okay? You guys will be working together to learn the lesson. I need you to grab your 2-5 notes out. I'm going to go ahead. Okay, guys. I just gave you a set of note cards. They have all 5 theorems from 2-6 already on them. The entire notes that you guys need to solve the 6 problems on the board you're going to work on today are all right there on those cards. So that's all you're going to need, and one theorem from 2-5. That's all you need is those 6 cards, and one theorem from 2-5 is all you need to solve all 6 of these problems up here. Okay? 1 second. Advisors, your guys' job is to give suggestions. I just told you there's only 6 cards you need, right? So one of the cards is 2-4, a right angle theorem. If you look here on this is problem 7. We're going to work together on this. There's no right angles here, right? So you know that theorem isn't needed. So once you eliminate that one, you only have 5 left to solve the problems you have, okay? Does that make sense? So you guys as advisors, and all of you are technically advisors, you guys will all be giving suggestions on whether or not this card works, does this theorem help, what? And I'll walk you through it so you guys understand. Writer, you guys who are going to write things down. You guys are going to be responsible for turning in the paper your group is creditable. So I only need one piece of paper from each group. Make sure it's nice and neat. I need, when it looks like this for the problems, look like this, I do want the problem written down. But when you guys run into your proofs, when you do proofs, I just want to fill in the blank. I don't want you guys to write the whole proof out, okay? But I will need your work and your answer on how you solve it. So make sure you write down which theorem you guys use, okay? So leaders of the group. Your guys' job is to make sure you stay on task and you work through the problem. Make sure you don't get ahead of your writer so they don't get behind. And you guys want to walk through these problems. So if you guys get stuck, look up here real quick. These are just basic steps to solving any kind of math problem. What is the problem asking? So like 7, this is problem 7 on page 124. You guys will say, solve for the variables. So you got x and y, and then you're going to look to solve for that. The second step is, what do we know? So we know that we have 4 angles, 3 of them are labeled. We have 2 line segments. So they already give you some information to solve the problem. The final step, all you need, is what new information that you're learning that'll help solve this problem. So I want you guys to take the cards and pass them around, and each of you read all of them. Just take 2 minutes and read each card, okay? Learn what they say, look at the pictures, and I want you guys to look and try to see which card is going to be used to